Hey all my crafty folks, it's me, your friend Sarah. So I wanted to show you a quick video. I'm going to show you about this awesome software that I found, and it's called Brushkite. If you just go to brushkite.com, it is a paid service, so you can do, I believe it's a 3-month plan or a yearly plan. The yearly plan is definitely worth it. $50 for the year. So I couldn't really balk at that. So, and there's tons of features. I'm not going to do everything in this first video because I do just want to introduce you to it. I will show you the templates here, and then I'll do more videos showing you all the different features that it has. So, I mean, if you're like me and you've had a Cricut and you decide you want to start making your own SVGs for your Cricut, or you're wanting to make designs for print on demand or anything in between those things, this is the software for you, absolutely. So I will put the link down in the description. It is my affiliate link. If you click on that and purchase the service, I do get a little bit of a commission, so at no extra cost to you. So I do appreciate that too if you do decide to get the software. But I wanted to show you just how easy and simple it is, how this software has built in so many features that you don't need to have a design background. You don't need to be, the most creative person in the room or whatnot, and you can create beautiful things. So here's what it looks like when you get signed in. So when you get signed into Pro, you're going to have all these little things over on the side. We will go over each one of these. I'll probably do separate videos for each one of these. So what I'm starting with is the automatic templates. So if you scroll down here, you can see all of these templates that are already pre-done for you. So this is pretty kick-ass because essentially you can take any phrase that you want to do and you can put it through these templates and see which ones you like, and then any ones you like you can then download and put on shirts, on bags, whatever, whatever floats your boat. So let me find my phrases here. I've got some ideas. Okay, so what you want to do is up here where it says edit, and if you just hover over it, it'll tell you what the things do. So they try to make it as simple as possible, and if you do decide to buy the software, you can join the free Facebook group. And the creators of the software actually listen to what you're saying, and they've implemented suggestions. So new things are getting added to this all the time. It's only gotten better. I've only had it for, I don't know, maybe a month, and there's already been a ton of updates. So know that when you buy it, there's room for improvement, and they listen to any suggestions that you have and try to make it better. So let's just do, let's see. I like the saying stressed, blessed, and true crime obsessed. So we can go in here, stressed, blessed, and true crime obsessed. So just type that in. And then you'll click on this little rotating deal here. So, and then as you can see, it puts it into this template. So I don't have any images selected. So you can see in this one here, it's got the balloon. It's not going to have it on here unless you go into images and select. So I'm just doing this just for the words. So you can click on this again, it'll change it there. You can click on that again, it'll change it. So each time you click this, you could have, a million different designs just by typing one thing in and clicking this. So if you're like, not really feeling any of those, you can click on the next one. There we go. There's a new one for you. Same thing. Start clicking through. So the awesome thing about this is I could have spent 2 hours trying to design just those, you know, 8 designs I clicked through here, and it took all of, what, 20 seconds? So there's some more. Doing the same thing, just clicking through all of the different templates. So whichever one you like the most, there's, I like that. I like that. And that's the hard part too. Then you have to pick which one that you like the most. So I always like this straight outta design. It's like clean. I like that. So I'm gonna click through some of the other designs just so you can kind of see what they look like, and then I'll show you how we download them. So see, there are a million different options that you can have. And some of these you might find that you love more than others and that you use more than others, and that's totally cool. So this is just one feature, and it's just the first feature that we're going to go over. So these are the automatic templates. I'm just clicking through some of these here. So you'll have to sit down and you'll really want to play with it, because seriously, you can make a million of these, and it would seriously, have I said seriously a lot? Seriously, it would seriously take me hours and hours to make all of these with, you know, all the flourishes and the arrows and things like that. And I know that we've all purchased those, you know, those extras and things through different graphic packs, and then you have to figure out where they're at and then put them in, and then 3 hours later you have a design. So with this, you have 1 million designs in 3 minutes instead of 1 in 3 hours. So I love this just for the simplicity of it. If you don't ever use any other tool in this and you only just use these templates, it's 100% worth it. So as you can see, this is just the very first feature that I'm showing you here in this. So that is that. Let's say we did want to put an image in this. Here, I'll just show you how this works. So graphics, I'll just do this really quick. Halloween. So there are images in here that you can choose as well. I'll go into images a little deeper next time, but let's just put the spider. So we select it, and then if we go back here, not every single one, but see how now when I refreshed it, it's got a spider in there. So if you see right here, it has this little square with it looks like little mountains. So these are the ones that are going to have, if you choose these ones and you choose an image, it'll have the image in some of them. See how the Straight Outta Dreams, there's no icon there. So if you go to this template, it's not going to have any of the images that you pick. So if you want an image, it's only going to be in these ones, and not in every single one, as you can see here. So there's that with the spider in there. So all right, so there is that first tutorial. So go ahead and check out the link in the description, and I hope you have fun with Brushkite just like I have.